Hello friends, welcome to the Tech channel. So friends, today I will talk about German mini tower PC case P10 series. So friends, German introduced the P10 series of mini tower PC cases, and this series features a unique pillarless design and available in two color variants P10 Black and P10 White. So friend, the P10 belongs to the same German P series as the previously examined P30, which underwent details acceptation is December 2023. With the elimination of pillar on the front left side, the P10 offers a mini tower PC case with bottom cover. Notably, approximately two-thirds of the right side panel consists of mass, providing adequate ventilation to compensate for the absence of the rods and fan in terms of cooling. It accommodates top fans and radiators in configuration of 120 by 2, 120 by 3 and bottom fans in configuration of 120 into 3, rear fan of 120 into 1 and front drive bay option include 2.5 inch or 3.5 inch combo bay, 2.5 inch bay, and the internal dimensions of the case support a CPU cooler with a height of up to 173 mm, graphics card with a length of up to 384 mm and power supply unit with a depth of up to 175 mm. There is a back wiring space ranging from 16 to 31 mm and a graphics card support bracket comes pre-installed with external dimensions missing 216 mm, depth is 418 mm and height is 422 mm. So friend, it is compatible with MicroATX and Mini-ITX motherboard. And friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icons.